Beneath the soft brown soil lay a tiny seed. It was dark, silent, and lonely. The seed wondered, "Is this the end of me?" But Allah had a beautiful plan. When rain fell from the sky, it was not just water, it was Rahmah, mercy from Allah. The seed drank the rain and whispered a silent dua, trusting its creator. Soon, its hard shell cracked, and a small root reached down, searching for strength Allah had placed in the earth. With every sunrise, Allah sent light. With every night, Allah sent rest. Slowly, a green shoot pushed upward, breaking through the soil. The seed was no longer a seed, it had grown. Birds sang above it, and the wind gently swayed it, as if praising Allah along with it. Time passed, and the tiny plant became a strong tree. It gave shade to travelers, fruit to the hungry, and shelter to birds. People passed by and said, "Subhanallah, how beautiful!" Without realizing that all this beauty came from a seed once hidden in darkness. When the fruits fell, new seeds touched the soil again. And the cycle continued. The seed had learned its lesson. When you trust Allah, even darkness can become the beginning of light.